nhớ rằng ít chọn cứ tin nên cha mong kết thông cho nên tu thông lại lực ăn được thứ nó là cho trái chim mình cả nó là especially cho nhớ cho Fresno nếu nó cũng yêu một thằng tu Lao family okay ha Lao veteran ha bây giờ chưa mong là cho cụ cha chưa bằng tuổi cái của hai giờ chơi cha nữa chưa tuổi nữa okay so cụ thằng tao lấy cha là thảo số cái hai rằng nó gì ha cho họ bông mất chém cho cụ lúc bằng lư là cái bộ cho cụ trò ha có cụ pin nóc á của hai tao lấy cha là thảo số cái hai rằng nó gì ha but everybody needs to know the truth. Do you guys want to live in denial in your la fantasy world, or do you guys want to know the truth? Only I can speak the truth. Only I can speak my mind. Nobody else can. Because the truth will set you free. Everybody knows that. Everybody's connected to me. The whole universe. Everybody in the world. Your eyes is a cybernetic computer eyes. A monitor, so you could turn on, off, and you can watch me. Wherever I look around, I'm blind, but wherever I look around, you guys gonna see wherever I look. When I talk, everybody's gonna hear. Okay? So everybody needs to hear me out. Okay? I know a lot of people hate me, don't like me, you know, but you guys have to accept the truth. Okay, guys? So mainly I want to talk about your 501c3 non-profit organization, okay? 咩准准种啊，就出家呢，咩就冇出嚟冇align，即可能係冇 Betty， 即可能係冇I don't know if Catholic Baptist 不要 the same thing, okay? 但是cụ thằng tôi cho cha什么 okay 就帮多了就呢也叫 501c3 non-profit organization so it's a business but they use God's name and Jesus' name to make money. You guys need to know that I am God and they're using my name to make money. All this fake pastor demon pigs. You're feeding a demon pigs, okay? So, but before I'm going to get back to the church, I'm going to first talk about Lao family, okay? 没有保险为讲 Lao family, 生活 Lao family, You know why? Why can't we call Hmong family? Do you see any Lao people working Lao family, or you see Hmong people working Lao family? You know? People are very stupid and idiots, you know? The reason why Lao family is called Lao family and Hmong people cannot use Hmong family because Hmong people don't have a country, okay? So they cannot apply for grant from the government because Hmong people don't have a country. You see how sad it is? When I know about this? You know? 被蒙起这些路被什么在抢呢？被蒙给了带韭菜哈，给了到有样子呢 ，OK？ 没讲说没去包叫办了呢，但是 like 被蒙包 somebody else 来这了我被来是呢 ，you know？ 来被蒙包 other people stuff 呢，你懂的呢 ，OK？ 蒙了的给了带韭菜和给了到有样呢 ，OK？Whatever that is, but you guys know what I mean, OK? So that's the reason why back in the 80s, back in the late 70s, and then upon one ball, first so what's called the Hmong family, you know, okay, put them register, Lao family, or Hmong family, yeah, put torchlight. I believe the first Lao family was Napoleon tried to open in Santa Ana, somewhere down there in California, by, you know, past LA. but that just the story I heard เจ้าของนะผมว่าปอนจาก Westminster นั่นyeah supposedly you know okay that's why I heard the story okay so but I didn't really know until I told กูรู้ security ฮะกูรู้ไม่ว่าจะลาวฟันฟันกูฮับปอกชูฟนะ okay because กูเต้าโจเจนปุ๊ฮะกูเต้าลงมาว่าปุ๊มีไอ้ฮะนะจะ event นั่น okay ถ้ากูต้องมันทอก็ปุ๊ปังกูนะกูดัสกูฮับปอกชูฟนะ okay so that's the reason why we cannot use Hmong family a lot of people don't run Lao family yeah I may see one or two guys here and there you know on and off but mainly you guys know that Lao family is all run by Hmong people this is why we cannot use the name Hmong because Hmong people don't have a country everybody needs to know that okay guys and why we have to use a 501c3 tax ID number because this way they can write off tax and they don't pay tax and they can get free grant for like a charity and government grant okay that's why they had to not under 501c3 through license federal ID now okay same thing goes to make your church okay it's business okay so men want to tell you who Lao family who Hmong family 就係俾啲Hmong啦 okay 俾咪選不龍俾啦唔打算不下就車的俾Hmong俾選不龍俾就路長得好生 okay so that's why 你看 who Lao family 好生 okay 就好係到Hmong俾就Hmong全部得獎啦 okay so I want to talk about the corruption 就係กู包嘅生 there's more to it butกูทานเจอแล้วเขากูมาพูดให้กูพูดต่อวันแต่กูต้องเข่งซะแล้ว okay เลยกูปูกูเอาเขามาปูให้กู expand อยู่จะต้องนี่แล้ว okay you know ช่วงนี้กูหากูจะเรียนต่างนะอยากจะถึงมันจะกองเขาเรียนจะเชื่อหรือบ่ตรงนี้ของตัวจะเรา family ก็บ่มาไฟจะจะกินที่นี่จะมั่งนะเลยบ่ตรงนี้เขาโลถวยโลใบโลคอมพิวเตอร์โลเฟอร์นิเจอร์โล中多真的呢这头做这老 family 不都互不叫 family 都猛干叫控制中当然也不猛干不叫เขา估จะต้องลงจะซะ okay ถ้าหมดสิจะต้องนี่ตัวไลน์เนี่ยมันจะเขา time 不ไฟจะเฉลี่ยจะคงแต่นะตี上面来呢也不好不叫 family 和 friends 都到ซะ you know so กู想看到就没帮了 okay it's a cartel business 不好不叫 family 和 friends 呢 you know 这个要都上到这个什么 right 呢 you know so กู想看到就小个在包yeah they make themselves look good but they're just criminals they're a cartel you know so nothing is free you know things are not what they are and things are not what they seem they make everything look like it's natural it's legit you know they're making themselves looking good oh like they're helping the community they're helping out people but do you really know what's behind closed doors are those the real people or just their families you know what happened to all the goods that donate to the Lao family they all been replaced with you know used goods you know okay เดี๋ยวจะ donation เจ้ากูถามนะจนข้าจะไม่ซื้อเขาหมดทุนแล้วเขาอย่าวิจังถามเป็นหมดแต่ Lao family นะก็จุดต่อชก็ลงไปก็หา address ถ้าก็จะ social security number นะ because ก็จิมัว sign พวกเขา sign เองก็จะ show เขานะพวกการปังก็นะ I know that because กูดูปังถ้าพวกจะ water festival event ฮะกูดูไปเอาไปใช้กับพวกปังกูนะสุกู family case ฮะพวกการปังกูนะ you know what they tell me why back in the early 2000เขากูมัว family แต่มีฮะจูกูฮะกูก็พูดนะกูมึงหากับเราแฟนปังกูนะเฟียวกูจะน้ำแต่ถ้ากับพวกปังมึงใส่ลุนจังคนกูนะ you know they tell me well before we can help you you need to sign in first and it will answer your question 个报酬กูshow กูไม่ตั้งกูจะ address กูจะ show ตั้งกูnão pode hey what do you guys need my social security number that's just part of the process 结果我是到讲กู要不是还在搞要กู3个不半个月กู就 show กู就 show 就 social security number 就กู show ตั้ง但好像这一来也不买了还有多呢还在了还在不办事的กู好 case 呢咱们กู还就好办กู们被论上课了 OK 这不不去莫多呢 available service 办กู这不办事的กู哈 see so 不知道กู就是 show 还可能呢这好 second time กู们搞不办 fail กูจะ能当上课这不感激过这กูจะ干么我身体哈但是不摸 David 忘了这龙机过了 that's how I know David 对中间就那旁边呢就 show operation popcorn 呢这你那 David 被帮死了个但是个包个都个不你好多不当但是被帮了是而且还有就了过哈you know 我到前面帮死了过就好被去帮子呢被帮个不是 you know 还干了过了但是我还包了还是不可能 California legal service 人家那他不帮个不了不叫成员不还在不你帮子呢个不的是他个么了不帮个不去帮子呢中他被新中人来他被新招真正去开了就真的提 transport 呢都个不起来提了 you know just like that okay so 不好 corruption 好不我搞不到不查到关的 government 就好不你 prove 的都能一多不能 provide service 做 community 呢 but the people the government doesn't know all they need to know is your information and they got your social security number see the government 不知道的 did you get service or not you know okay this is how a lot of family was able to survive for since in the 70s up to 2000 almost 2020 here because the Fresno a lot of family 都多了 so 就好这么多年梦也不讨是当官 okay so that's the corruption and it called corruption กูปู你做边梦 committee I don't know if every clan does that 做สิ่ง梦ว่า但是กูบอกจะไปสิ่ง梦หาโจไปโจไปอยากจะเราจะเอามาเป็นหมุนนอกเลยเนาะฮะlại bây giờ cái tình món hàng nó bố cho bây giờ nó cho cả bố cho khai tổ cái hộp món hàng nó là mua tận cho bây giờ món hàng register cái show bây giờ show security number ha address 三倍就好了这不摸bây giờ bây giờ mua cho lao family á这lao family mua mình chỉ nhá under table cho bây giờ cái gì sao là cho clan leader là cho cộng hòa ít sao ok lắm chị bắt đầu mình chỉ nhận là sign nó sẽ cả lao family bắt đầu everybody cho pay ha cho họ bắt more fraud một chút đó government show grant ha every year bắt thong grant bắt họ bắt report bắt đầu một report tầm lên hay là bắt nhị bán tụ tụ nó bắt nhị mất tao sẽ là chấm pay information this is how they've been doing get away for the past 30 years you know or 40 years okay it's a big corruption. It goes behind closed door and goes very deep and nobody seems to know about it. Only a very select few, okay? So กูสังฆาจะไม่แต่ยังวิจารณ์เรา family หาสบายต้นเต็งบอกเลยเนาะหาทุกที่ชมมาต้นหมู่บ้านเฮาจังบ่ถอดตรงกลางดาวลงนะ you know เจ้ากูใช้บ่จะ employee เท่าบ่เรา family เนาะที่จอมไหนเฮากูไปกูใช้บ่จะ employee ถึงมื้อ at least 30 people to 50 people you know แต่สิบ่อย่างคนหลายเลยถึงบ่ตัวเฮารู้จักฮู้ซะhow everybody mong tan chang you know so this is how they do it 他用头不谈拉火旺了拉火旺那么多路刚好一路来了你莫但是蒙叫头蒙尽量去中国上了这你莫但是蒙叫information 做了 family 就好不一直把理是呢包放哈你那头包放我这记头咕噜帮佛上包放因我古包包放因我就 direct 那做了 family all this time until our family 多改了呢 you know so 如果我一路来不么他就刚好一烧给就被蒙住我 old style 了被我被看中了呀他们一头不能够相爷说了相爷或者 family 了葫芦刚好 member 这 不嘛到年了呀，伊嘛到年了把伊 family 了呀，被我看的刚好人好以后被蒙 family 了呀。So that's how they a lot of families been getting away for a long time for corruption. They 不嘛还不 family 不叫 friend 好了。more they receive like they gas the travel hotel 哈they 不嘛少一个钱啦，不嘛帮蒙 community 就好了。也不还 right after 不叫 tax 呢。Okay? So 所以八方面包呢，八方面原来要八方面说的 every year 你么一项目二百里了哇 ，you know 不么中比的说的太对好像 you know I know her very good you know so 不了好像他没叫过不我到了反正嘛不么爱当么嘞哈 I know that because กูไม่สิคันกันมองหาแล้วนี่ตัวบ่มตัวมาบ่มาจงตำเลยฮะ That's why เอาตัวฮัลโหลนี่ตะเอาตัวชินเจ้าล่ะ you know I don't know about others but you know I know from my own cousin you know That's why กูหาบ่บ่ทายแล้วฮะกูมองปู่แล้วฮะกูเอ็นว่ากูหาเป้า about how ลาฟันบ่ทายแล้วฮะ okay but there's more to it but I don't know I only know what base what I have experienced see with my own two eyes okay So one time 老反正不年啦不年到香蕉旁啦不么个嘛整个不么到香蕉旁做那碰到包啊年搞套啦 okay He lives over there I believe Barstow and Temperance you know 上北north east 头上北啊这里说什么啊开一路浪啊鸟大场了这他把放下的 president 不年了这那碰下个不不年就你就忘了这不晓得一来钱香蕉盘这打算不还没熬的哈不还得那 news and first one be there you know 不么 corruption 了我了 you know 不过想看那个被蒙包上把那反正不问的了 okay So, that's how they write off the tax, and that's how 不年到年了 you know. 他不还没讨到 grant every year, okay? 我就谈的是一个被保住了 family, okay? 和的老 veteran 一样的 okay? It's a 501c3 non-profit organization. 其中呢，就我们古谈好 about 个人那么一没讲呀，不I believe it must be from government. 就好头没。ไม่ยังไม่ไหนไม่จีเลยจะกูจะไม่จะย้อนแล้วเล่นนะพงพี่หากับไม่มไม่จะอีเวนต์กับไม่นั้นไม่จะก็ตัวไม่มาโชว์ออฟจะหอนะเจนพงเขาแพลนถ้าเกิดในวันยี่เอาจะเขาแพลนนะมาโอ้เอาตัวโอ้หอสีจะกูจะแล้วหอก็ไม่เอเวนต์ผมเบี้ยวพวกเขาเคสถ้าจะพูดถึงมันสปอร์ตฮะจริงช่วยจะกูจะแล้วเนาะผมว่าเมมเบอร์ต้องบอกเลยเนาะ不还晓得不还 proposal 我长grand 被 government 是呢还用来投那碰下个小个在么少了被 Washington DC 的好那呀不那个那碰当时么还不么长长grand 是这头出来么3年了哈到能够在乡镇了呢这 government 还把到 1.5 million 多了这那碰了几月但那碰啥但那碰有mất cầu nọ đó nè,แต่สิcầu nàyว่ายินเจช่างนะพงเจcầu nàyว่ายินหาmất cầu nọเนี่ยเท่า1.5 million เขาดาวตัวนั้นเจนี่cầu nàyว่ายินmấtเอาแล้วเนาะสินะพงเอาเธอสิผีเอาเธอสินสูงแล้วเนี่ยเจ打算呢พงหามึง共就做路 SGU 共好不หาใคร路 SGU เนี่ยเจบ่หาสิสิ路เรา veteran America เนี่ยโอเคเจเท่า路Corona was much nya ta chen mo ko ho both la sen cha ha both me I he took off like a word or a letter or he added another one I think before it's called Lao Veteran of America and after Corona was mo or lu la sen to na je bo thao to la sen cha je Corona was mo ba the Lao Veteran of America Inc. All you got to do is get a new license number and add like a word or two and it's a new company it's a new business you know but it's still the same people running it you know Okay so กูสั่งมัน看了然后就没包就好that's why 不出来老 veteran 才能在叫กู就这种我们不但也到这 有这么这些我 member 哈有了3流了呢不仅到台北这样到这呢碰还有了几不了3的好了不了么干叫那叫自呢叫我就做喏是呢 but 那碰还不可能你不用把蒙never more country 呢 it's never gonna happen but 不拼到这样 area 个实在拼木3点了哈么个不到家了喏是呢这头半夜到这不是快个车个可能话你莫半夜呢那当这老外穿家比多就肉呢全部肉呢 OK so 古上卡好真呢就说个包容 OK I got 10 minutes left 就古风record 到北京了其实这哎呦不那么吃不了过了 Yeah 就好 supposed 头家呢都呢 is supposed to go to all the member allow veteran OK So 你就 remember 或者 everybody supposed to 到那个between 二旁去做去旁了做旁了 everybody 啊 but 可能呢你没这样那是呢这那碰了起来 you know 这二条新竹还没得名呢就包也得当了呢 OK 就好古啊拼照顾题目到老完全哈了这古大叔还包了 OK ha ko pawa ko na ji cho ha ai me introduce ko ha tho ha on source ngai bit the government in California mo ko na wan ji chang way to board director national federal ha okay that's why I know ha ko na wan ji lum thang ko na lum introduce ai kin ko ha lum san pao ko na that's why ko ha pao ai ko chi mo thang ai thang ko you know ko san da o jan te tu ne je mo ha ko ye tu mi yao he ai lum thang ko na I don't you know I can't figure out why I must be very important okay so how allow veteran why it's called allow veteran because they can't use Hmong veteran because much more country okay so that's why they gotta say allow veteran not Hmong veteran okay kind of just and allow veteran allow family good time that's okay 我用他没家吃喜爱了 OK 没家吃家了 you know 我把人民族过很亲啊过很 but everybody needs to know the truth 没吃师傅两声啊我对方觉得没知道背后过了 you know 师傅是古龙背着了么在那找还了么没brain wash the pastor talked like he's able to communicate with God you know I am God and nobody came to communicate with me you know but anyways cool but the reason I can say that and I know that because I used to go to church okay back in Lompoc in the 90s when I was about 10 years old okay been church let me see okay before that I used to go to Jehovah's Witness Jehovah's Witness huh不平叫古拜耶哈古反拜人说过哈包么确实Jehovah's Witness哈不叫讲这头个么知道这不你么一路带叫路么叫 missionary 啊不叫都在都到这努因为一带了这不你山中了这山里就么中呢不这这领导这lên từ chúng mình đâu này, bố như một cái document cha,这才这个么当时了，不去办告，个么当时个户了，不去做，不么当时了，不去个， that's how they run you off, okay? And to they have to pay 10%. You have to pay 10% of your whole family income. That's a very high tax, you know. So how you do barely making enough to survive, you should don't take 10%. You richer, huh? Okay? 不去控告，这是个去提了哈呢。Into it, but you know, everybody that goes to church knows exactly what I'm talking about, you know, but nobody wants to admit it or talk about it, okay? So, man, talk how you check what I could spoil about the Bible or the church, I know because I go to Jehovah's Witness, okay? And after that, talk Mother Brother, what she, go have by the lucha baptized, so I don't know if baptized and Catalina is the same thing, but cũng cho cái thầu lúc chơi bố pin tôi tập bé nè tập trẻ nè mồi who baptized don't you know because the reason why I know the pastor and bố chỉ mention bố pin mua bé ai á bố pin mua chấm nhân sai ai ha chấm nhân tú ai á mà last time rape đó 做好不我能把生不做到白节不叫别梦了也不头么做的确也不么是头 separate 好 group 呢来不没叫面菜么追能 group 这不没叫面都没能 group 呢这我讲不因是不偏没就掏这么追红掏你叫一怎么追红了也不这么矮哈不这么来是呢 you know but kuch pa ja thau chakan lo na everybody jammer jammer erase down you know nobody seems to know what happened but that's how they've been getting away for a long time because they can't automatically erase my memory but I didn't know about technology and program back then but that's what I saw and that's how I know that pastor church people 不么怎么样才爱哈不么 mostly the pastor 你么怎么样都嘛啦三你么 rape 爱好过呢I don't know why the pastor likes to rape and molest little boys, not little girls, but they do to little girls too, but mainly 人家都在叫stubborn and 不么怎么样才爱还 rape molest 呢在 church 呢 I don't know how they're able to hypnotize them and then make them forget what happened. You know, or more brainwash, more program, nobody knows what happened, okay? So ไม่ถูกกูไม่จะมาเชื่อไม่จะ check นะไม่จะใช้มันจะคิดมันได้นะ You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. 你这样确实矮是呢 okay 还没么 feed to demon pig pastor huh that's why the pastor 你aside 叫 member mon church 呢还你家住在这里还不如去了 that's why 没有播了就好像没去太 10% 了好像结果去到家就是会去到家了没有了呢 how do you think that 就是服你么蛮去路你么在车you know BMW Lamborghini you know, wear like a $3,000 suit and have a big old land and he always travel around the world, have a private jet while you're busting your ass, you know, barely make enough to survive, you know. So, okay? So, this is how they rape and molest people, you know, at church. Okay? But 不么 program 上不么没什么菜不么民族人他们也敢等了也没去 remember 呢 mà thằng mình hồi bố mẹ or mẹ cho je bố mẹ ai tan mình bao rồi okay because they had program from Donald Duck okay me bao mẹ tu Yesu na mẹ tu Yesu keto Donald Duck na you know because they got program to hypnotize you and freeze you and make you forget you know because they could do that to me too that's how I know okay so cho church na my each 501c3 so it's a business So that's how they embezzle money and this how they laundering money, okay? That's why แม่ปู่จะ做师傅了你莫讲钱还你哪个做想过还你莫按莫这么 mansion 了 You know, all you guys go to church know exactly what I'm talking about, you know? So, yeah, 我包的没去 special 叫师傅叫จะ被到蒙圈了不一家圈去当上真别是我写啊也是龙被还往九龙被了么讲了搞好当 program 没事呢就好好像你是给强了就好做 income 是呢这请问 member 请问没多 support 做么种人家就你好给强了就好这你去帮忙查好对了你去上么好了你上了么查了几页你写了几了么 program 没了么还了么干没Okay? You guys need to know the truth and sex the truth. Okay? 就这呢一家 business 不 fraud 这他们懂的当然到这 at the end of the year every year they have to file tax okay because it's a non-profit organization 501c3 okay so they have to file tax every year okay I don't know if you guys know about that but I know because I go to church and I am involved with 501c3 non-profit organization that's how I know It's the same thing as 教共好家不教共好让family they got to do the same thing. Okay, but they use God and Jesus' name to make business for the best interest, you know? Okay? So 我看了就没包括真是没说是做了没他们吃没没嘛爱是啦没叫不哈讲才嘛爱还没叫没有讲嘛不么来什么爱好过是啦 okay? So 我上看了就没好半年还包括 business 就去了一家 business you know, it's not real. Heaven's not real. You know, God is just me. You know, it's not like how you think in the Bible. You know, okay. So 我看了个没就做是啦 ，okay。没他就做了没这是啦 ，okay。And 你怎么 complain 嘛？这里面都 complain 都 comment 啦 ，okay。But use code words 啦 ，okay。 诶，我嘛星期，别嘛星期六日这个生日我讲到。